Welcome to Learn and Fun with the Mall.
Let's count some planes. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little planes. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little planes. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little planes. 10 little planes. Great counting! Hey, let's count them backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little planes. 7 little, 6 little, 5 little planes. 4 little, 3 little, 2 little planes. 1 little plane. 1 plane. 2 planes.